So this is my mom, and she and I have been raising monarchs since I was at least 14. She's now part of the group Monarch Mamas of the Midwest on Facebook. And so what she and I do is we raise monarchs from eggs, we turn them into caterpillars, chrysalids, and then butterflies, and we release them to help mitigate the pesticides, the damage to the species, and the endangerment that the species is experiencing.
And where can they reach you?
They can reach us Facebook, her, Kimberly Mulford, Kymberli, or you can always send me a text at 224-456-7218 if you have any questions.
And do you have any butterflies on site?
We do.
Would you like to release one?
Yeah.
You want to release one on camera?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yes, you go ahead.
Let's get a few different angles of this.
You go ahead.
Hold on a second.
So
Thank you.
when we handle these butterflies, we want to be really careful to not irritate their wings at all. So we'll pinch them right here along the length of the body, and this doesn't hurt them at all. You can place them here, and they'll get a good grip, and they'll just fly away.
They're hard to follow, aren't they?
That one's super happy.
Yeah, right? We've had some really dramatic ones where we'll just fly around for about 2 or 3 minutes, and all the kids will scream.